This conference will now be recorded.
So, hi team. So this is Venkat here. I'm going to cover the talent training session in online. So what is talent? Why we need to learn it? So this is the ETL tool, right? Why should learn it? If you there is a number of programming technologies are there, a number of tools are there in the market. Why should we learn talent team? Anyone having idea?
Yeah, it is a open source and you can integrate with cloud and big data.
Okay. Any
Talent is
other things?
basically a data integration tool. So for
Okay.
every company, there will be huge data that need to
Okay.
be that need to be integrated from different type of files. So that's why we use the talent because it's only an ETL tool, right? So company will be preferred for the individual tools. For
Okay.
ETL, one tool for transformations from one tool for the data visualization one tool. They will be going according to the data what they have. So in that talent will be the one of the ETL tool. It's a
Okay.
starting process for data integration.
So, okay, other ETL tool also same thing it will do, right?
Yeah, other ETL tools also will be doing it, but exactly the reason you have to tell this.
Yeah.
Because of cost, compared to other tools, it is less cost.
Okay. That is the one point. Very good. Very good point. Any other points, Tim?
Number
Any
of
other points,
character
Tim?
are more in talent than any other ETL tool.
Very good.
And it will support big data, Hadoop, and cloud.
Okay. Very good.
Yeah, due to cost, so many companies are migrating to talent from Abinsure to talent. That is
Okay.
it.
Very good. Any other? Anybody working in ETL tool, Tim? Any other ETL tools?
I am working in SSIS.
SSIS. Oh, very good. Oh, okay. Okay. So, what is the like? Any other working in Informatica data stage? BODS. It is similar kind of SSIS only. This is a ETL talent Informatica. All are similar only, but first thing, let me explain it. So this is the open source. First point, open source. Okay, we can download it. We can develop the project. If you go for licensed also, license, when I come to the license version also, suppose, so some other ETL tools like SSIS, SAP BODS, so it is a little bit expensive cost wise. For example, so you may get 10 lakhs means those are other ETL tools, but a talent will get around 5 lakhs. It means half of the amount will save it for purchasing the product, half of the amount. Okay, so that's why customer, obviously customer is saving some amount, right? Some budget, right? Okay, obviously customer will same functionality I can do other ETL tool talent also. Obviously customer will preferable talent. Along with the cloud integration is you can do easily. Cloud integration, more connectors are there. Some people said, right? Some member, more connectors are there. We can easily connect the components. We can easily develop the jobs by using the talent. This is the one of the major advantage. Suppose I want to develop one project. Okay, so assume that 10 members are required. Okay, I already for other ETL tool also developing 10 members are there, one project. See here I am investing more for employees. For other ETL tools we may get little bit less salary, but ETL we already saved the some amount for employees. Okay, so we'll give a little bit more salary. So when you learn talent, compare with other technologies, other ETL tools, you will get more salary. Main we're working for earning money, right? Earning good packages, right? Okay, so this is one of the major benefit if you learn talent. When I come to the market side, you learn it, it should be more openings, right? Then only it is good for us. So lot of openings are there in the market for talent, mainly like all MNCs, TCS, Wipro, Accenture, HCL, Deloitte, CTS, Virtusa, Citibank, okay, Capgemini. So all MNCs. So many product-based companies having openings, guys. Lot of openings are there for talent. Less resources are available in the market. More openings. Openings are more. Okay, you can easily get the job. I am sure that if you train from my institute, I am sure that I will make sure you 100% you will get job. 100%. I will give that much level. We are going to teach it. Real-time scenarios, along with project explanation, along with interview questions and answers, all components. What are the required components we are covering here? Okay, let me show you what are the content we are going to cover it. So we will cover, we will provide the talent softwares along with the installation part. We'll explain it, how to install the softwares, data warehousing concept, Oracle. Okay, so along with the talent component, these are the main thing for us. Along with how to real-time scenarios, interview questions and answers, project explanation, mock interviews, resume preparation. Okay, so lot of things will cover it. What are the required things? We'll cover it. Okay, so these are the things like online classes, recording videos will provide real-time scenarios, training materials, project explanation, resume preparation, mock interviews, doubt clarifications, interview questions and answers explanation. We will do it. Okay, so these are all everything will provide in my institute. So suppose sometimes you have some work personally you didn't attend it, so immediately you will get the recording video. That day recording video you will get it. That is helpful for you. Okay, so any questions, team? Why we need to learn talent? Any questions, team? Why we need to learn talent?
No, sir.
Other question, others, team? Any questions? I'm sure that if you learn talent you will get job easily, good packages. That is the one of the benefit.
We will cover big data as well. Talent
Mainly
with
talent data integration, big data basics will cover it. Basics.
Okay.
Because
Is it enough to get the job? Only data
yes,
integration is.
yeah, data integration is enough to get job.
Okay, okay. Any migration things you are covering, like from one tool to another tool migration?
No, that is not covering. So that is we'll explain it like theoretically.
No, okay. Just theoretically, then yeah. So in interview, when they are asked.
Yeah. So I will take some classes, guys. Intro questions and real-time scenarios. 1 week, almost 1 week class will take. That if you attend 1 week properly, you will get job. That much level we are going to teach it here. So lot of openings in Malaysia also. Malaysia, So I have students in USA. Okay, so they are Indian people, but they have settled down there. They learned it. They got jobs there. And Malaysia also, Singapore also, India, a lot of people, obviously. All MNCs, in, including TCS, Wipro, for every company, I have my students. Okay, so now let me go for start it. Let me explain some. Let me take sample example. Let me explain it. So what is ETL means? ETL means extract, transform, and load. L means load. Okay, so for example, so let me go for my source. I have one file. Sorry guys. So I have one file. I'm having some data. So I have employee number, employee name, job, salary, DEPT number. So for employee number to employee name, the delimiter is comma. For column delimiter is comma. So I have 9 records. First record is the header. So total 9 records are there, including header. 10 means. So I want to read this file. So I want load into another text file. Okay. So I want to load only whose DEPT number 10. That records only I want to load it. I don't want to load all the records. Whose DEPT number equal to 10. That records only I want to load it. Okay, how many records will come? This record it will load or not in my target? Tell me. Is my condition true or false? DEPT number 10. Is this record is true or false?
False.
False.
False. It will not load the record. So what about this DEPT number 20?
20, 30, all will not come into the picture. Only 10.
Okay, only 10. Only these 10. DEPT number 10. These 2 records only it will load into the target. Okay. So how to implement by our talent? This is my logic. This is my rule. This is my scenario. How to implement in the talent? This is the text file. My source is the text file. Okay. In the talent, I want to read the text file means there is a one component is there. T file input delimited. By using the T file input delimited, I can read the text file and CSV file. So okay. So along with I want to load into another file, text file, right? So I want to load into another text file means in the talent we have to use T file output delimited. By using the T file output delimited, I can generate the text file or CSV file. As for my customer is asking text file, I can generate the text file by passing the extension txt. Between there is some rule. What is the condition, team? What is my condition? DEPT number 10 equal to 10, right? So I want to write the some condition in the talent means there is a one component T filter row. By using the T filter row, I can filter the data. Okay. So let me take it. So T file input delimiter for reading, loading T file output delimiter for applying the condition. So we have to use the T filter row. Okay. So first I need to read this structure. Schema means first we need to import the table definition. So let me go for talent. I have already installed it. I will explain you how to install talent software in further classes. So let me go for metadata section. Let me go for file delimiter. Create a file delimiter. Let me provide the file name src demo 25. Click on next. Browse the file. Where my file is located? It is there in the documents, Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited. Batch in this folder is there in the source folder. Okay. So let me go for my path. Let me browse the file, Nandini Software Solutions, first November folder. So let me go for source folder. So there is a text file. Let me select the text file, srcmp. So the content I can view here. Okay, so click on next. What is the separator? Field separator, one column to another column. Something separator, right? What is the separator, team?
Comma.
What is the field? Comma, right? So let me make a field separator as a comma. So let me make, I have header record. First record is a not a data, right? First record is a not a data. It is a column names. That is called as a schema. Okay, field names, column names. Okay, so I want to make a header. This first record is a header. How to make a header means there is a one option. Set heading row as a column name. Set heading row as a column name. Select the checkbox. See, header is enabled one. So I am unchecking. See, header is disabled. I want to enable means there is a one option. Set head as a row column names. Refresh it. After selecting this, it will display the column names with the data in the tabular format. Click on next. So in the real time, customer will give data mapping. So as per the data mapping, we have to use the data types and lengths. So for example, customer employee number, I want to 5, I can increase it. So employee name 255. Job, I can give 255. Salary, customer is said 10. So use the DPT number 5. So change the data types and lengths as per the customer requirement. Click on finish. So I have imported the metadata. Now I want to develop the job. So how to develop the job means job designs, create a job. So pass the job name, demo 25. Okay. So my job is designer opening. So see, this is the left side is called as a repository. I can store the jobs and table definitions. Okay, so right side is called as a palette. These are the components. We have to use the components. We have to build the job. In the middle, there is a canvas. That is I can call as a designer workspace. Okay, so I want to read the text file. I already imported metadata, right? Let me demo 25. Let me select this and drag into the my designer workspace. I want to read the text file. Which component I have to use, team? As we discussed earlier, which component I have to use it? So T file input delimited. So let me select this T file input delimited. Click on OK. So can somebody tell me? I want to load into the. I want to generate the text file. Which component I have to use, team?
T filter row.
Okay, so I want to generate the text file, output file. So
Yeah.
for condition, we'll use T filter row. So T file output delimiter, right? Let me keep the cursor here. Keep the cursor here. So or else you can go for the palette. In the palette, go for the palette. Okay, so check the file components and drag it. Let me explain it easiest way. So keep the cursor here. Type the T file output delimiter. Select this component. Keep the cursor here. Type the T file output delimited. Between I want to apply some business rule, right? We have to take the component called T filter row. In the talent, we will call as a components. T filter row. Type it, filter row. Okay. So click on OK. So I need to process the source data to target. So this is the source. Let me rename it. So there is a view section. Double click this. Go for view section. This is the source data. Okay. So let me double click this target data for understanding purpose. So I want to process the source data to target, right? I need to give the mapping links. How to give means row and main, row and filter. So double click the source. I don't want to change anything. Double click the T filter row. I want to write the condition. What is my condition, team? What is my condition?
Only
Department
department
number
10
equal to 10.
minus 1.
Yeah. So there is a condition section. There is a plus symbol. Add the plus symbol. Select the input column DEPT number. What is the function? Equals to value 10. I want to pass 10. So let me double click the T file output delimiter. I have to generate the output file, right? So where I have to generate? Browse that path. Let me browse it. So first November folder in the target section. So let me create one file, tgt target, okay, filter value dot txt. Okay, so I want to field separator, comma. Okay, so one field to another field I want to separate as a comma. So source is coming column names, right? The same column names I want to propagate into the my target also, means there is an option include header. Okay, so now let me save the job, file and save the job. Okay, now I have developed the job, my properties are defined. Now I want to see the output, means I need to execute some process, right? So once I execute the process, if the job is finished, then only I can able to see the output. How to execute the process means there is a run tab, there is a run button, click the run button. Okay, so my source saving 9 records, my target is loading only 2 records. So let me open my output file. Let me go for target section. So let me open in the Notepad++. So I can see only 2 records. As per my condition is matching, load into the target, else don't load it. So this is the one of the example. Now my customer is asking, my source having 9 records, 2 records are valid data, correct data. So let me rename, this is the correct data, target correct data. Okay, so where is the remaining records? I want to load into another file. How to load it? Please guess. So I want to generate the text file, means which component I have to take? T file
File output
delimited. So there is a double click the T filter row. There is a row reject. There is a one option reject. Give the link. See, dotted lines is called as a reject link. Double click the T file output delimiter. Browse the target path. Okay, so let me go for target path. So let me go for reject. I have created rejected data folder. So let me give it rejected data per filter dot txt. Okay, so I want field separator comma. Let me change it to comma. So I want to include header. So now let me run the job. Now job will fail. I'm sure that because of some issue. See, my job is failed due to some reason. Let me copy this error. Let me paste into Notepad. See, my file is already there. What I have to do? My file is already exist. Whether I need to delete the data and reload it, or else I want whatever the data is there. For that data, I want to add new data. What I have to do? That option I need to select it. If my file is already exist, I don't want to fail the job, means let me go for the target. In the advanced setting, there is a one option and uncheck throw an error if file is already exist. Okay, so let me go for here also. Let me go for the advanced setting. So there is a one option uncheck throw an error if the file is already exist. If file is already there, I don't want to face any error, means I have to select this uncheck this option. So now let me run the job. Now it will not fail any. Now it will not fail the job. See, my source having 9 records, 3 records are valid, It is loading to the target. The remaining 7 records are rejecting. So let me open the rejected file. Rejected data. So this is the data, right? Let me open it. I should see the 7 records. Okay. So this is the one of the example. If my data is if my condition matching, load into target. My condition is not matching, just reject it. Okay. Is it clear, team? Are you understanding? Okay. Is it clear, everybody? Any questions so far? Let me go some more example. Let me give some more example on this. See, I want to read this text file. Please observe carefully, team. I want to read this text file. My next scenario. I want to load only whose salary having more than 5,000. That records I want to load it into my target. Okay. So I want to read this text file. Whose my condition is salary greater than 5,000. So when I come to the salary, this is the more than 5,000 or below 5,000. Is this condition is true or false?
False.
So it will not load the records. What about this record?
False
What
one.
about this? What about this record?
False.
False
What
one.
about this record?
That is true.
True.
So it will load the data into the target. What about this record?
This will also true.
These four records.
These
True
4 are
condition,
true.
right? What about last record?
Last
Is
record
this
is
record
false
it will
because it
why
is
here
greater sign.
5,000? Very good, very good. See here 5,000 both are same, but what I have given greater than symbol. Okay, more than 5,000. So that's why this record it will not load into the target. Okay, how to do it in the talent means please observe guys. So let me go for T filter row. See here I have to select the salary greater than 5,000. So let me save the job, run the job. See 5 records are loaded into my target. 5 records are loaded into my target. Okay, because of my condition. Suppose now I want to give 5,000 also, guys. See, now I want to get the output 5,000 also. Okay, so how to get means I can give here symbol greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. So let me run the job. So let me open the output. See 5,000 also I'm getting. So this is another scenario. Okay, is it clear? Another scenario. Let me explain some more scenarios. Now my scenario is, please observe guys, I want to read this file. I want to load whose salary more than 5,000, greater than or equal to 5,000, and DEPT number 10. DEPT number 10. So can somebody tell me? And means both conditions are true. Then only it will load the data into the target. How many records it will load, him? So example, I have loaded these records. How many
2.
records it will load into the target?
2 records.
2 records. Perfect. Because of this condition true, this condition true, then only it will load it. When I come to here, both conditions are false. So let me add one record here, one more record. So let me add Kohli. Okay, let me make a captain. So let me give this one 3,000. So let me give 10. What about this record? Whether this record it will load or not?
No,
Why?
because it
Why
is
this?
the end condition. Both should be true. Salary
But
and
10 okay. Because the both conditions are true, then only it will load the data into the target. Okay. So my salary condition is false, so that's why this record is not loading. Okay, so how to do in the talent, please guys. So let me save as the job. So demo 26. So go for T filter row. So salary greater than 5,000, perfect. So add the plus symbol, select the DEPT number, equal to what value I have to pass him? 10. There is a logical operator, by default is AND. You don't need to select anything, by default is AND. So now let me run the job. Same outputs I am taking. See, 2 records or 8 records. See, when I get here 2 records. Okay. So this is the AND condition. How to give the AND condition? Suppose now I will give OR condition, guys. Now let me give OR condition. I may get different records. Let me run the job. See, when I come to the output, see why I'm getting 7,000, 3,000, 30. Why I'm getting it? I have given OR condition. OR condition means any one condition is true. Any one condition is true. Any one condition is true. Load the data. See, because of salary condition is true, but DEPT number false, even though this record is loading. Okay. So this is the OR condition. Is it clear, everybody? How to apply OR condition?
Yes, sir.
So now let me explain very important scenario. See, I want load whose ename equal to Venkat. That record I want load it. Along with, I want to give whose ename equal to Venkat. So how to do it? That is my next scenario. Please guys. So if we add the plus symbol, I have to select the ename equal to Venkat. See, for integer I have given 10, but for the string values, we have to give quotes. What have to give? We have to give in the quotes. Kindly remember this option. For the string value, we have to give quotes. Previously, I didn't give an 5,010. So now I have to give it. Why I have to give? This is the value
String.
is the string data. That's why I need to give in the quotes. Please remember it.
So it should be
Okay.
double quotes or single quote?
Double quotes.
Okay.
Double quotes. Okay. So this is the scenario. Is it clear, team? So far, any questions? Feel free to ask me. Are understanding the topics? Now let me take some questions. So let me stop here. Please guys, tomorrow onwards regular classes. Tomorrow onwards regular classes. The class timings daily 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Monday to Friday we'll conduct the classes. Monday to Friday. Sometimes we'll connect on Saturday. Okay. Sometimes we'll connect on Saturday. Special classes for Oracle explanation, for other classes we'll take it. Data warehousing concept explanation. Okay. So we will allow the 2 installments. Okay. So course fees is 10K for everybody, same guys. Okay. In my institute, no. Okay. For everybody same. No, nothing to hide here. Okay. So I'm sure that if you learn from my, so if you interested, this is my WhatsApp number. You can make a enrollment. We'll create a new group. Okay. So make a payment today. First installment, half of the amount. Then we'll from tomorrow onwards we'll connect the regular classes. So let me stop recording. Okay. So you can take the questions now.